So I'm going to go to the browser. Let's go back to the browser. We're going to go to http://localhost at, use the colon, sorry, 3000, okay? Localhost colon 3000. I'm going to try it out. So we got a message saying cannot get slash. So that's the Express server saying that he did not specify any route at this point. You can try /books, for example, and it's going to say the same thing. So we're trying to get /books, but the route is not defined, so that's what Express gives us back, okay? Great. Now we learn how to run the server using Node app.js, and to kill the server, Control-C. Let's go back to our file here, app.js. Now we are going to learn how to define a route in Express. Okay, so let's just define a simple route with just an arbitrary data so we can get started. To define a route, we're going to do the following. Between the listen and whatever you did, we're going to add the following. We're going to call on our app, and we're going to call the method called get, okay? And then we're going to say slash. This is the path to our route. This is going to be the route, okay? And then you give it some callback or function here that's going to have at least like two basic objects. That's the request object and the response object, okay? So let's write it. Typically we write those guys in Express with the abbreviations REQ and RES. They stand for request and response respectively. So let's use an arrow function here to define the body of what we want to do when we hit the route slash. That's going to be just localhost 3000 slash, right? So let's send a response. To send a response, we're going to use the RES object. That's the response object. And then just say .send, and whatever you want to send. Let's just send a string, okay? Welcome to Express. Like so, okay? So when we hit the route, the root route, we are going to send back a response with the text, welcome to Express. Let's get back to the terminal. Now we have to restart the terminal because we made a change to the code. So we got to Control-C to kill it, and we're going to do node app.js to run it again, okay? Now let's go to the browser and try again with the slash route. See, we got a response, welcome to Express. Okay. So let's get back to the code and review. So we're going to call the app, and I'm going to call a method with the HTTP verb for your request. In this case, it's a get request. It could be post, it could be put, it could be delete, right? So, and then this is the path, in this case slash, the root route. You give the definition to what you want to do when the user hits this route, a request, what you're going to do, and then we send a response with RES object, always request response, in the signature of this function right here, and we're calling the send to send some string in this case. All right, so I think we're good with this lesson, and I'll see you on the next one.